Epson Edge Print lets users create quick sets to quickly apply job settings to print jobs. Click Tool, then Manage Preset. When you see this screen, select Quick Sets. To create a new quick set, click Add. Enter a name for the new quick set and click OK. Select Options in the Basic Settings. Layout, Color Settings, Color Replacement, Layer Setting, and Mark tabs. In the Other tab, you can select the status of new jobs. Click OK. Jobs already on the job list can be assigned a quick set in the Job Info tab. Select a quick set from the drop-down menu here. Quick sets can be applied to jobs during the Add process. Select a quick set from the drop-down menu here. You can set up a folder that automatically adds a print job when a file is placed in it. This is called a hot folder. Click Tool, then Preferences. When you see this screen, select Hot Folder. To add a new folder, click Register. Enter a file path or click the Browse button and select or create a folder. Click Proceed. Select the output printer. Print jobs placed in the hot folder will be added to this printer's job list. Click Proceed. Select the quick set you want to apply to the hot folder, then click Proceed. If your hot folder is on a network and you want to share it, click the Share a Folder checkbox, then click Finish. You can disable or enable the folder by clicking the checkbox next to the folder name. To modify the hot folder options, click Change. To remove the hot folder, click Unregister.